Mastering bodyweight exercise form.
Perfecting your bodyweight exercise form is essential for gaining strength safely and effectively. Using science-backed techniques ensures you're working the right muscles, minimizing injury risk, and maximizing progress. In this guide, we'll break down expert tips for popular exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks, so you can train smarter and see better results from every workout.
Squats. Engaging the right muscles.
Proper squat form is all about alignment. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, chest lifted, and core engaged. Lower yourself by bending at the hips and knees, making sure your knees track over your toes. Avoid letting your knees cave in. Descend until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as far as mobility allows. Then push through your heels to stand tall.
Push-ups. Building upper body strength safely.
For effective push-ups, start in a straight plank position with hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. Keep your core braced and avoid letting your hips sag. Push back up, fully extending your arms to complete the movement.
Planks. Core stability and endurance.
A strong plank relies on spinal alignment. Position your elbows directly under your shoulders and your legs straight behind you. Brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and avoid letting your hips drop or pike upward. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position, focusing on controlled breathing without straining your neck or lower back.
Pull-ups. Maximizing upper body activation.
When performing pull-ups, grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Start from a dead hang, then pull your chest up toward the bar while keeping your shoulders down and elbows close to your sides. Avoid swinging or using momentum. Lower yourself in a controlled motion to the starting position. Engaging the back and core helps maintain form and prevent strain.
Why technique matters.
Mastering proper technique is more than just safety. It's about efficiency and progress. Science shows that precise form recruits the right muscles, prevents compensations, and reduces injury risk. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, take the time to practice, film your movements, or seek feedback. Consistently applying these tips can lead to better results and a healthier, stronger body.